Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your name on Palmon Survival. To change your name on Palmon Survival, first of all, go ahead and launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you're inside this Explorer info page, go ahead and tap the pencil button right next to your current name. And now enter the new name you want to change to. Once you are done, click on confirm and your name will be changed. In order to change your name, you can do it for free for the first time, but you will need 200 diamonds next time you try to change your name. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.